So we're gonna see if we can't get her with either the back lot machine or a crane. Back here I got the guys heading into the office now. They're gonna load up a transformer. It's about 1:30 in the morning. Definitely won't be home before sunrise on this one. It's like minus 30 out right now. It's not too nice. I had a call up some marketing in someone's backyard here. So we actually got a secondary bushing burned off the transformer. We're gonna have to replace the transformer. Now the problem is it's back lot and we can't get access to it. We do have an off-road back lot machine. I don't think it's gonna work here, and there's too much snow. I'd have to get a plow to come in and clear out the snow. So I'm gonna try to get a hold of a crane, take a permit on the primary, get a crane to come in and change that transformer. The back of the pole is sheer ice. When I was climbing the pole, the whole one side of the pole, we had some freezing rain, so it's pretty slippery. It'd be nice to have the power out while we change that anyways. So I can't seem to get the customer out of bed to move their car. I'm not sure what we're gonna do here. If I can get them up, we can get a crane and change this transformer. We might be able to get it from their front yard anyhow. I'll show you what it looks like. Alright, you can see my fancy ladder I got there to get over their fence. Get her tied off in the telephone, and we spurred the rest of the way up. Climbed up the pole and took a look at it. And we've got our secondary bushing. She's melted right off that transformer. So we're gonna see if we can't get her with either the back lot machine or a crane. Back here I got the guys heading into the office now. They're gonna load up a transformer. It's about 1:30 in the morning. So there's still no luck waking up the customer to try and get her car removed. I'm gonna give the crane company a call and see what we can get for a crane here. The closest we can get with a crane at the moment without her moving her vehicle is about 120 feet. It's not good. Frozen again. Alright, so we found a plow, finally. He's on his way now. I got the crew loading up the back lot machine. We got a 75 kVA transformer. We're gonna get this puppy changed out. It is 2:45 a.m. Should be home hopefully by 8. Alright, the plow's here, we're rocking now.
Could be inside the garage.
Yes. $5 a.m. here now. We got a spot cleared off for a machine. We got the transformer back here all set to go. Getting our rigging all set up. Boys are offloading the off-road machine out on the road there. We should have this wrapped up in another hour or so.